What if I told you the reason you're not losing weight has nothing to do with your willpower and everything to do with silent problems happening inside your body right now? You may think you're doing everything right, eating clean, walking daily, avoiding junk, but your body might be secretly blocking fat loss because of issues you don't even know about. Imagine waking up each morning hoping today will be different. You check the mirror, you check the scale, and nothing changes. Not because you failed, but because your body is fighting against you, not with you. And if you don't fix these hidden issues, weight loss becomes almost impossible no matter how hard you try. Today, we're exposing 5 hidden reasons you're not losing weight. Reasons most people never hear and doctors rarely explain. If you've been frustrated, confused, or losing hope, this video may finally give you the answers you've been needing. Let's begin. Reason 1. Hidden calorie mistakes. Most people underestimate calories, even in meals they think are healthy. 2 pieces of avocado toast with olive oil can be 620 calories. Slight differences in oatmeal portions can add over 100 calories without noticing. Hidden calories like salad dressing, sauces, or even chocolate from others can easily add 300 or more calories without you realizing it. Tracking everything with a food scale and an app like MyFitnessPal can reveal how much you're actually eating. Measure and log every ingredient. Look at weekly averages, not just daily guesses. Even if you eat perfect meals, high insulin or hidden calories can turn off fat burning. Reason 2. Stress and cortisol. High stress causes cortisol to rise. Cortisol does one thing extremely well. It stores fat, especially belly fat. When cortisol is high, weight loss slows down, appetite increases, cravings spike, sleep gets disturbed, and metabolism drops. Your body is in survival mode, trying to protect you, not help you lose weight. Cutting caffeine after 2 p.m., walking 10 minutes in fresh air, eating magnesium-rich foods, and deep breathing before meals can help reduce stress and speed up fat loss. Reason 3. Insulin spikes from healthy foods. Some foods you think are healthy can spike insulin and turn off fat burning. Granola, fruit juices, low-fat yogurt, sweetened oatmeal, and energy bars are all common culprits. If insulin is high, fat burning stops, even if your meals look perfect. Eating protein and fiber first, cutting sugar and hidden carbs, and avoiding frequent snacking can help balance insulin and restart fat burning. Reason 4. Not tracking progress. Properly and body recomposition. Weighing yourself only once a week can give misleading results because your weight fluctuates daily. Overestimating calories burned and eating back too much can cancel out your efforts. Sometimes your body is building muscle and losing fat at the same time. The scale may stay the same, but your body is changing. Track your daily weight and take weekly averages. Pay attention to strength improvements, waist and arm measurements, and progress photos. A repaired metabolism burns fat even while you sleep. Reason 5. Gut health, inflammation, and slowed metabolism. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, digestion suffers, sugar cravings spike, fat storage increases, and energy drops. Chronic inflammation disrupts hormones, causes insulin resistance, and shuts down fat burning. Past dieting can slow metabolism, causing your body to burn fewer calories and store more fat. Adding probiotics or fermented foods, eating fiber-rich vegetables, reducing sugar and processed oils, sleeping 7 to 8 hours, doing light resistance training, and including anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and healthy oils can reverse these issues. Your gut, hormones, and metabolism can start working together to help your body burn fat naturally. After fixing these 5 reasons, hunger normalizes, cravings reduce, energy rises, belly fat shrinks, metabolism speeds up. Your weight starts moving naturally, and your body finally begins burning fat the way it was designed to. You're not failing at weight loss. Your body has been fighting hidden battles. Fix the root causes, heal your gut, reduce inflammation, track accurately, and your body will finally start burning fat the way it was meant to. Imagine waking up and seeing the results you've been working so hard for. Cravings decrease, energy rises, belly fat shrinks. If you want more natural weight loss tips, step-by-step tracking systems, and health transformations, subscribe to Wellness Lodge and turn on notifications. Like, comment your biggest weight loss struggle and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Remember, it's not about punishment or eating less. It's about understanding your body and making it work for you.